Welcome to the Man and the Pan and
with
BethAn. Awesome. So, BethAn, what are we going to cook in this beautiful pan today?
Man in the Pan. Okay, we're gonna make cheesy bread.
Cheesy bread.
Well, I don't know what to call it, but then I
Cheesy.
Okay.
You cheesy bread. Okay.
Things like that.
Okay.
Okay. I went KTA. They have your bread. What is it? French bread.
French
yeah?
bread.
Okay,
French bread.
I cut half. We're not gonna bake it. We're gonna use the Man in the Pan.
We're going to use the man in the pan.
Yeah. So I'm gonna cut
Okay,
this.
so you're cutting it down like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, now we're going the other way. This is the important part. This part is the the prep part is always the important part, right?
This is how it look like. Tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this, and we're gonna put the butter. Butter.
What do you mean? Every tic-tac-toe?
No, not every. You're gonna put it like every other, but you wanna make sure everybody has some butter so it's even.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
so
why
you
I got
put
all
butter
this
in everything.
butter, and I cut it in half like that, right?
Okay.
All right, and then we're gonna put cheese. Okay, we're gonna slide it in the pan. You put it on really, really low because you don't wanna burn the bottom because the bottom is gonna come really crispy. Okay, so it's gonna look like this, and then we're gonna do this. Okay,
Nice.
we're gonna put like this.
Oh, plenty of cheese. What kind of cheese that?
This is mozzarella and
Jack.
cheese. Yeah, Kobe Jack. Right. Mix anything mix. I like mozzarella better, but this is all you guys had at KTA. So.
Okay, so it's like that, and then you put them in the pan.
I'm going to leave it like that. It's going to be about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20, 30 minutes, depending on how crunchy you are.
But low heat.
Very low.
Low heat.
And you got to have a cover, because you know what? The cover will keep the heat, and it's going to make the outside little soft, so it can crisp up.
I see.
You get it?
I see what's happening.
I know. So it crisps up.
So you actually baking something in the pan?
Yeah. This must be done. You ready?
Okay, so Carrie said to put bacon, but I don't eat bacon.
Yes, good.
Look at this. This
You
is
don't need
bacon.
bacon.
Bacon's the hair.
I know.
Bacon here.
He don't need bacon.
I don't eat bacon.
I know, okay.
You might need bacon.
Yeah. Oh, I love bacon. But other things like olives, green onions, regular onions,
you know one thing about this
mushroom.
pan? It's so good.
Yeah.
You see, it doesn't stick.
I know. See, that's the idea. Woo, look at that. See, and look, all crunchy all the way around. You see? Okay, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, you just gotta pull it out. I don't know how to tell you that, because that's what we did. We just pulled it. Here, pick that one over there.
No, I'm not like that. I'm not that kind of choosy kind. I just stick wherever it goes.
I was just saying because it's cooler like that.
No.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
See? Okay. And no salt butter. Okay?
Oh.
It's salty enough, yeah?
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Oh.
I'm so glad. This was a good one. This was, because you know what? It was easy. Good. You see? And it's all gooey. I like that. Ooey, gooey.
Look at that. The burger's steaming hot.
Yeah. And on the outside,
Right
look,
on the pan.
crunchy. See, underneath is all crunchy. So you can eat this for one meal, and then the other half you can do something else with the French toast or whatever.
Wow.
Yes!
Wow.
Okay.
You surprised me today.
Yeah? You didn't think
The
bread
man in
can
the pan is the ultimate, right?
Yeah, you see? Good,
Okay.
good.
So until next week, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha. Oh!